Take out your SPTM and open the page number 108. Today we are going to do this page 108 part A. Okay, so now we read this paragraph first, then we solve this one. How many devices? Two devices. Input device and output device. There are two devices. So look at this picture. These are input device. These are input devices. Mouse, mic, touch tablet, camera, joystick, keyboard. These all are input device. Unmute yourself and tell me, what is the CPU?
CPU is the brain of computer.
Very good. CPU is the brain of computer. Very good, Anyavasi. Excellent. Yes, Fasha. What is the CPU?
CPU is the brain of a computer.
CPU is the brain of computer. Excellent. Good answer.
It can process data.
Okay,
CPU
now
is the brain of computer.
very good, Shalini. CPU is the brain of computer. Excellent. Now come on. Very good, Hanya. Excellent. Brain of the computer is CPU. So you all write here CPU. Very good, Varisha. Okay. Part B. Part of the computer that stores data for processing. Part of the computer that store data for processing. So now look at this page and processes all data feed into the computer. Who going to store the data in the computer, process in the computer? CPU. CPU. So what you all are right here? CPU. Part B, you write here CPU. Okay. Now next, C, result given by a computer after processing. Who give us result after processing? Who give the result after processing? Now look at this page. Output is proceed data that we see on the monitor, So what we write here? Monitor. You write here monitor. Part C.
Printer.
Okay, now D and output device given that printer prints output on paper. Who?
Printer.
Which device? Printer device. Yes. Printer is a output device. Printer is a
Output device.
very good, Mayruddin. Printer is an output device. Hanya, unmute yourself and tell me the spelling of monitor. Yes, Hanya.
M-O-N-I-Monitor. Monitor.
Very good, Hanya. Excellent. Good job. Clap for Hanya, everyone. Tell me the spelling of printer. Mamad Hadi, tell me the spelling of printer. Yes, Mamad Hadi. Spelling of printer. Can you hear me? Spelling of printer. Yes, Fatma Adnan. Unmute yourself and tell me spelling of
Yeah.
printer.
N-T-E-R.
Very good. Excellent. Good job, Fatma Adnan. This is the spelling of printer. Very okay. In last minutes, we revise this. Part A, brain of the computer. You write here CPU. Brain of the computer, CPU. Part B, part of the computer that stores data for processing, CPU. Part of the computer that stores data for processing, CPU. C, part C, result given by a computer after processing, monitor. You write here answer monitor. Result given by a computer after processing. So you write here monitor. And output device given that printers output on paper. So you write here printers. You write here printer. Printer is a output device. Printer is a output device.